today's video we're going to be installing the ice block tail lights on the 2007 Saab 9.3. I bought these off of eBay, but just to prepare you, they are a little bit expensive. As you can tell here, my tail lights have seen better days. This one magically fell off while I was driving home one day from work. Alright, here are the tools you're going to need for this project. Socket wrench, extension is optional, 10mm socket, T25 Torx, there we go, and a flathead screwdriver. First step is gaining access to the rear of the tail light. Super simple. Just pull this cover down. As you can see here, tail light cover is being held in with these nuts. You'll just have to remove those with the 10mm socket, and I'm starting on the driver's side of the car. Once they're out, put them somewhere safe where you're not going to lose them. Next step is to pop this bulb cover out. There's a little tab here. Just going to carefully pull up on that and remove the bulb holder. Just be very careful with it. You don't damage the bulbs. And then what you want to do is just carefully remove it. Just give it a slight little pull. And there you have it. You're going to repeat the same steps on the passenger side. The only thing with this one here is it likes to go up on you, so what I like doing is just putting a tool on it so it stays out of your way while you do your work here. Alright, just go. There we go, and it's out. Boom, just like that. Alright, next step is to insert the new tail lights into place. And we're going to do the same steps, but in reverse order. Alright, I'm just going to get these in place and then tighten it down with the socket wrench. Alrighty, all good. Once that's all tightened down, you can go ahead and put the bulb holder back into place. Then you're going to want to repeat those same steps for the passenger side. Alright, so we got both taillights in, all put back together. We're ready to move on to the inner light covers. Let's get it. So the first thing we're going to do is remove all these here. I believe there's 9 of them. These carpenter bees are crazy, dude. Damn. This is where the flathead comes in handy. All you're going to do is push them in like that, and you'll be able to pull them right out. Like that, boom. Once they're all out, just put them somewhere where you're not going to lose them, and we're ready to take off this piece right here, which I don't know if you can see up there. It's got the T25s. Going to use the socket wrench to remove this piece here. It's not working. Alright, we got it off. I was having a bit of a problem. I was trying to film and use this at the same time. Alright, so you see this drop down. Now you have access to the nuts for the inner lights, driver's side, passenger side. We're going to go ahead and take them off with the socket wrench. Alright, so we're going to take the bulb holder out. Just a little clip in there. What's going on here? Get out of there. Be right back, having some technical difficulties. Had to pull forward. That was the problem. Alright. Just going to go ahead and pop these out. Just like that. Boom. Same thing. Boom. Done. Alright, so once you have the new light cover on, we're going to go ahead and turn the nuts back on and get them secured down with the 10mm. Alright, so once you click the bulb holder back in, we're ready to move to the next side. Alright, we're going to go ahead and secure this down. gonna put the bulb holder in here, click, boom, done. All right, so we just gotta get this secured back up, and then we will take a look at what the finished product looks like. All right, so these things here, they're a little bit of a pain in the butt if you don't know what to do with them. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. All you gotta do is push that through like that. And I'm just gonna put it in there. Come on. Just like that. Push the pin in just a little bit till it clicks, and then it's in. Alright, it's all secured back in place. Go ahead and put this component back on. Alright. Boom. All done. Alright, here's the finished look. This is the driver's side, and we got the passenger side. Looks super clean. So there is one problem though with these tail lights, with them being clear. You need to make sure you have the red bulbs for the tail light and the brake light. So if the ice block tail lights you order don't come with the bulb holder in it, you're gonna have to probably order them separately so you can get the proper bulbs. And they're also different, so I'm gonna show you here in a second. So on the 07, when I had the red taillights installed, this was the type of bulb that I had in it. Notice how the prongs are directly across from one another. The red bulbs that you'll see online are offset. Those are the ones that you're going to need when you get the proper bulb holder for these taillights. And I just wanted to let you know ahead of time, so that way you don't experience the same issues that I'm going through at the moment. But that about wraps this up. As always, I appreciate you guys for viewing the video. I hope this tutorial proves useful, and if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments. Alright, have a good one.